This is Kwang Hak. For this car simulation assignment, our team implemented multiple cars in the simulation, modified the simulation to support multiple cars, allowed the user to switch between controlling different cars, each with its own unique position, speed, and angle. Let me start to pull up the car simulation. Now, as you can see, they're in a different position, starting position, and different color of the cars. And let me start to go forward, turn right, turn left. I'm going back. And if I click the space, it's gonna change to blue car. If I click again, it's gonna change to red, blue, red. Yes. And let me show you the result we got from the code. So now we have the list of cars to hold multiple cars, and we initialize to 0 for the index of the currently active car. And my teammates did the set the different like starting position for the cards and the cameras. This is all cut from the textbook. And this is update car movement method. This method is responsible for handling user input to control the movement of the currently active car and to switch between cars in the simulation. And so this car object from the cars list using active car index. The cards list holds all the cards in the simulation, and active car index determine which card the user is controlling. And if we press the up key and call the accelerator method on the active car, which increases the speed, and if we press the down key, the decelerate, which is like decrease its speed and even can go back, and turn left for like changing the angle, and to turn the right. And for if we like click the space, and it's gonna have some switching time to like 200 millisecond, and and it's gonna update the active car index to switch to the next car in the card list. The modular operator ensures the index wraps around to 0 when it reaches the end of the list. And this is just printing out which card we're using. And for the catch is an interrupt exception, which could occur if the thread is interrupted during the flip call. And this is like prints the stack trace of the exception to the console for debugging process. And this is in car ID. What this is, uh, we need this to like distinguish between cars visually by assigning them different color, and define the public constructor for the card class that takes 4 parameter like X, Y, Z, and angle. And this is how we randomly assign the color, the math.random. And also it calls the parameter, right, the constructor with the default values. This is this one. And the rest of are from the textbook, and my teammates wrote a code about like the different colors for each card. Yeah, and I think this is it for this video. Thank you for listening to the video.